What is going on, folks? Welcome back to another episode. Today I got me an electric scooter, and I am also at a skate park which allow scooters. So I want to unbox this real quick, put it together, and hopefully it has some juice in there. I want to go out there and actually have one of my kids like test this thing out. So that's what I want to do today. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox it, and then we'll go out there and have some fun. Alright guys, so I got super lucky. I found a dad that actually had a knife out here. I was able to cut some of these zip tie open. This thing looks huge. It's supposed to be a kid's scooter, but I think I might be able to ride it. We'll see. Alright, so I don't know why they call this a kid's electric scooter, but honestly this thing is pretty big. This is about the size of my electric scooter at home, about the same size. Yeah, I mean there's plenty of room here for you to adjust the bars so that it can get higher. This is for a big kid for sure, but obviously if you're gonna ride electric scooter you probably need some motor skill for you to ride this. So yeah, what else here? So a couple of things I noticed, just first look, is one, a nice little kickstand here. Two, got a little brake light back here. Three, this thing right here, literally you just pop this thing down and you can fold the scooter flat down really quickly, not a problem at all. The bag that comes with it, it's a nice touch. Got a little power plug right there for that power switch. Okay, good. The wheels are fairly big. They're the hard rubber kind, so not one of those that you can remove, I don't think. But it looks like the way this is done, it looks like it can be removable. Okay, so there we go. We have a nice little LED screen right here. And it tells you how fast you're going, so that's pretty cool right there. Not sure how useful that would be, but we will test it in a little bit.